Hello and welcome to A-Level Mathematics at Stratton Upper School. My name is Mr. Fraser and I'm delighted to be able to share with you our information video on why you should study A-Level Maths at Stratton Upper. So why should you study A-Level Maths? Well, there are several key things that we think are important for you, and the first of those is to develop your problem-solving and analytical skills. Through maths, you explore ideas in a way that's very different to a lot of other subjects, and with no essay-based element to it, we focus a lot on how you can use your ideas to logically provide solutions. So thinking about ideas more logically, considering your options through careful reasoning. You're able to explore mechanics and statistics and see the application of maths in a variety of contexts, learning more about how the world works through maths. We have the pure route, but of course we can also look at how it's used in various different walks of life. And as technology evolves, so does maths, increasing its essential role in life. So what are the topics that we cover in maths? Well, as we mentioned, there are three key elements to it. We have the pure elements, but we also have statistics and mechanics. Now in the pure, you're going to learn to develop key math skills including algebra, sequences, trigonometry, calculus involving differentiation, integration, and vectors. And then moving later in the year to statistics and mechanics, you look at applying those skills that you've picked up from pure maths to things to do with probability, correlation, distributions, hypothesis testing. Skills that are particularly important in other subjects such as psychology, geography. And in mechanics, we look at applying skills from pure maths to things like forces and kinematics, moments, projectiles, skills that you use quite a lot to do with physics and engineering. Maths has a wide reach beyond the subject itself, and it's a really important subject to use and apply in other elements as well. So how is the course assessed? Well, in maths, there are only assessments through exams. There are no coursework options in maths. So if you were to sit the exam at year 12, you can see how it's split into both the pure and stats and mechanics, with more emphasis placed on the pure assessment. And in year 13, when you sit the exams there, you can see how much of an impact pure has, where it's worth 200 of your 300 marks. So it does form quite a big base of the grade. However, that's not to downplay the statistics and mechanics, and they each play their role in supporting your grade. So what can you do with A-level maths? Having studied it, what would be the purpose for that? Well, it's highly regarded by universities. It's one of the most popular subjects around for A-level, and universities think it's a very important element that demonstrates your logic and problem-solving ability. As we mentioned before, it's often required for unexpected subjects such as economics, architecture, and programming. It's absolutely essential for science-based or STEM courses, and a wide range of careers such as finance and IT require you to have taken maths at A-level. On a different route, you might want to think about starting your own business in the future, and if you've got a good understanding of finances, that's going to help through your studies with A-level maths. You'll have a greater understanding of how things work in the world, and of course, should you wish to go on to study maths at a higher level, then A-level maths is absolutely essential. So that's quite a lot from me, but why do our students study maths? What do they like about maths? What are their reasons for choosing it? Here are some quotes from some of our students in year 13 and why they've chosen maths. If you'd like to have a read, you can pause these here and have a quick look through. And finally, if you have any questions or would like to find out any more, please feel free to email me and I can get back to you. I'll leave you with just this final thought. Did you know that in A-level maths, we don't actually measure angles in degrees anymore? In trigonometry, we work in a unit that we call radians, which you can explore more should you wish to find out. Thank you very much for watching our video, and hopefully we get to see you in the future studying A-level maths at Stratton Upper.